Welcome everyone. In this video we will talk about connection between apple juice and constipation. Does apple juice help constipation? Apple juice can help relieve constipation for some people. Several sources indicate that the combination of fiber, sorbitol, and other compounds in apple juice can have a mild laxative effect that can soften stools and promote bowel movements. The fiber and sorbitol in apple juice help draw water into the intestines, which can help soften hard, dry stools and make them easier to pass. Apple juice is often recommended as a gentler alternative to prune juice for children experiencing constipation. However, the effectiveness of apple juice for constipation can vary from person to person. It may work better for occasional constipation rather than chronic, severe cases. Moderation is also advised, as drinking too much apple juice can potentially cause diarrhea or other digestive issues. Overall, the available evidence suggests that apple juice can be a helpful natural remedy for constipation in some individuals, though results may vary. It is generally considered a safe and accessible option to try, especially for mild or occasional constipation. For more information, please go to the description. There's a lot of important information for you. Finally, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel to receive everything new. See you in the next videos.